closing bell, 12:23 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And what we're showing people here that are actually live trading, let me make sure my mic is working. If I do get excited, it's because it's live and we enjoy what we do. So basically what this chart here is called a 15-minute chart. And all our charts are, and you could use the word charts, but our new platform will have all of what they're being taught actually built in the chart app. It's not here on this, but we're building our own at SMF, and once we get it going, we're going to do a big preview on it, and we're going to show people in live trading with it. And that is going to be a gift because it's a mathematical equation of where price action is made by SMF, market making system. And people that are in the school, well, they learn, then they move into our trading division. But nonetheless, is that we had a big breakout bar right here, and we had a double top in the price action here. And failure started to fail here. And basically, I'm going to take out these other little X's here. What I want the new people to understand is happy your 15-minute breakout bar. We went down and put a low down here in the same price action. Okay? But we broke below half of this SMF 15-minute bar, and we have to have a closing price and consolidation in order to break higher on price and volume. So on a 3-minute chart, that's what this one is that you've got a 3, 6, 9. What I'm going to tell Mark is that this is still the SMF famous 3, 6, 9. However, it's 15 minutes long. And price action failure right here. That's what the 15-minute bar, 15-minute bar. Remember, it takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. It takes 5 of these bars here to equal one of these. And whatnot. However, the SMF platform, the market maker platform, already has prices where markets will either be made or, and what do I be made? Buyers and failure. What do I mean by failure? That means that obviously the buyer isn't there and the equity is going to go down in value, and it means that you should be shorting these moves. And our system will tell you how to do that. It doesn't matter to me that you make these $3 up moves and $3 down moves, but if you do that 5, 6 times a day, you're pulling a lot of price dollar action using the SMF system. And I don't know what people do for a living, but if this is one you want to do, you're not going to find nothing else out here like this. And SMF has is really the new way for Main Street to be involved. And that they have something that they can count on that works. And that they're not being misled and or being fed a bunch of stuff or a bunch of hogwash, meaning there's nothing to it. Here, it's all of that. And if you do ever watch or see this video on Apple, I would suggest that you come and find out for yourself for 5 days. The truth will come out during that 5-day period. And that's when you want to give SMF your honest report card. Don't look from the outside. Come to the inside and see what that is about here. So basically, some of the new people here, price action failure. These are 15-minute bars, double price action failure, and these are great moves down. If I show you the high of the bar, which I'm most happy to do, this is the kind of money you miss. Okay? And everybody listen up. I got a 263.12 failure bar right here. I got a 263.12 failure to the low end of that, which is 261.50. You do the math. That's the kind of money that was made slipping the bid. 15, 30, 45 down. Price action came in. You can see it here on the 369. That's also confirming part of this move right here off of the bottom. Watch. We got both of these charts here. They're both in the video. 369 up. Watch it. Whoa, boy! Flash bar. Look at that 15-minute bar. Big breakout. Flash trade. All points bulletin. Level 2's up there. Look at that flash. Bam! Big price action. Caught right here. Going into the close. On the Apple trade, this was that big breakout bar. And it was caught live right here in the bid and ask. And that's how these bars work. And earlier, prior to even doing the video, what I was telling Mark was about these engulfing bars and price action. Okay, versus, you know, your down bars. And we've had some very good ones here. And the thing about it is that price action is coming up, and it'll come down a little bit, and we're holding some of the contracts overnight that we told you about. And yes, tomorrow morning we're going to have a big damn unemployment number. And is it risky? Sure. But remember, we don't own the contracts at $11 or $10.50. We own them down around $8.50, $8.40, $8.60, $8.70. What we own. And on the earlier tapes, these call contracts and prices were there. Go fetch the video and you'll know.